this is what the kit includes. It's going to come with the main kit itself. The main kit will have 2 bottoms on it, and it will include the vape pen and a battery holder. It will include a 16340 battery, a lithium-ion battery. It will include an adapter that will connect to the bottom to allow you to change out for a Spirit, Halloween, or Walmart trap. A remote control programmed the way that you have bought your kit, and a bottle of the smoke fluid that is Toasted Marshmallow scent. So it's pretty easy to install. All you do is get your lovely Hasbro Trap, and I would take out your grate first. Let's turn the switch on, and let's get it into service mode. And I'm actually going to shut off the power on it to make it easier. You then should insert your battery. Now, you see there's a red wire and a black wire, and inside here is actually labeled, I don't know if you can see it, with a plus and a minus. The plus, so we'll go towards the red wire, and the minus will go towards the black wire. And now that's in. And then you're going to take your trap, and if you see there's this step here, and that little notch there, that's going to line up with that little step and notches there. So all you're going to do is, the easiest is start it too far back towards the handle and slide it forward until you feel it drop down into the hole, into the notch, and then just push it down, and then you'll get your battery. And I've included some Velcro here to be able to get your battery put into the side walls there, just to hold it in place so it doesn't go anywhere. And then lastly would be your remote control wire, and you're just going to get that out of the way. Now there is a power switch right here, so we're going to turn that power switch on and put our grate back in. And now you can use your remote to set it off. And it now works. When you are ready to service and add in some smoke fluid, there is a very easy way to do it. This Velcro comes off, and then this hose disconnects from here. Okay. And then this piece can unscrew. You'll actually see it unscrewing from the base here. And then you've got your vape pen. Now, this little hose outlet is stuck on, and that should stay on there. You flip it upside down, and you unscrew this cap here, and then you fill it. You will see some little notches on the side and a metal centerpiece. Do not get the vape fluid inside of the metal tube in the center. Fill on the edges. And you see, I've been testing this for a while and it hasn't gone down that much. Once you're done, place back on the end of this. Once you screw this into the base, you'll screw it in, you'll notice there's a little notch there. That base will sit in the notch, and then you'll Velcro it back. So the hose is set with a tiny little cut in it for the outlet. That should be facing that direction. So, because the fan spins this way, so you want to push it towards the fan. And then you just put that hose back in, and you're all set to go again. Full with vape fluid and all ready. Again, there's the power switch to turn it on and off. Some safety tips. First things first, always make sure you turn off the power when you're not using it, because if you don't, the battery will continuously drain and you'll have a dead battery before you get to use it, which is never fun. 2, you shouldn't fire this thing for more than about 1 to 2 minutes maximum. Otherwise, it will continuously get hot on the vape pen and possibly burn out your coils, and then you should leave it for about a minute of cool down time. And then lastly, This trap, I've had the privilege to see the insides of it, and the compartment is not so sealed for the electronics in it. There is a drying agent inside of the smoke fluid stuff so that it should dry, but be careful running this a lot while your doors are closed so that it gets trapped inside of your electronics inside the trap and ruins your trap. You don't want to do that. If you want to convert this into a spirit trap, you pull this cover off and you take your adapter piece, and you'll see it only will fit one way, and you snap it in place. One more thing about this spirit adapter / Walmart adapter, you probably want to put a piece of Velcro on the bottom of this so that when it sits down on the trap floor, it actually sticks to the ground and doesn't come up. I won't be including the Velcro for this, and I'm going to leave a little space for it just so that you could put a piece of Velcro, because that trap thing fits really nice and tight in the Hasbro one, but it won't fit super tight because there's a lot of room inside of the compartment for the Spirit and Walmart traps.